Lalo na sa ating naggagandahang mga judges ngayong araw. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. Pero bago po sa judging, gusto ko lang sabihin na since we have 50 plus participants po na naghanda ngayon, nakapaloob dito ang kabuuan at kaakmaan ng kasuotan ng kalahok sa bansang.
Salamat, Pagi Semwa, saya Princess Brielle, mewakili
Selamat pagi semua. Saya Aljon P. Kabawatan in English. Good morning to all of you. I'm Aljon P. Kabawatan, proudly represent Malaysia.
My name is Haley Aliyah G. Gala, proudly and loudly represent Indonesia! Sawadika! My name is Natalia Andrea Lakina, representing Thailand! My name is Liana Jane M. Pagigan, representing Singapore. Umaga po sa aking lahat. Ako po si Binibining Queen Gianna Johan Bulan Tagalog at nagre-representa sa Perlas ng Silangan ang hiyas ng minamahal kong Pilipinas!
Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Ako po si Jill P. Lopez. Nire-represent ako po ang mahal na bansa, Pilipinas.
Minamahal na guro. Ako si Prince Jacob Constantine Zibaga Domingo ng grade 7 ng Manila. Ang ipinagmamalakiyang maganda, kinapang at kinangal ng bansang Pilipinas. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Mara D. Sagundayo, grade 7 racing. Aking nire-representa ang minamahal kong Pilipinas. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Jamaica D. Zitangan mula sa grade 7 Rose. Grade 7 Rose representing Philippines.
Kailangan po natin sila. Okay, mga grade 7, dito na po kayo sa baba. Para sa ating Mr. and Miss ASEAN celebration.
Teachers, classmates, and fellow representatives, I am Princess Chua Bango, proudly representing grade 8 Marangaya! Here I stand before you, wearing a costume that reflects the beauty, pride, and art of our beloved country.
Symbolize courage, passion, and love to our country.
In English, good morning everyone. My name is Glenn Junior Superboso from Section Matapad Grade 8, representing Singapore. Representing Philippines!
Semua, saya Kate Rashura Mamawa from grade 8 Matapad representing Malaysia. My name is Marden Gonzalez from grade 8 Manawain representing Thailand. From grade 8 Masunurin representing Philippines. Pilipinas!
Ako si Ines Carlos, nire-representa ang So, pipili po ang ating mga hurado ng tatlong pares from the grade 8 curriculum.
Representing Thailand!
Good morning! Magandang araw! Diyos na umanin ng namin! Dapat si Chief Alvin Curibang Soriano, 14 na taong gulang, na ipinagmamalaking ipisinta ang bansang Philippines!
grade 9 gender representing Singapore.
Pino L2 representing grade 9 Galileo, Vietnam.
Good morning, Dashans! Makasta nga agaw, Dashans! Ako, si Precious Ayesha Soriano Santos, may lahing Kastila, pero ang aking puso ay purong Pilipino. And I am proudly representing Pilipinas!
Ciao, Paisang everyone! Or should I say, good morning to each and everybody. This national costume is a beautiful combination of Vietnamese and Chinese styles called Ao Dai. Ao Dai means it is a traditional dress of Vietnam. The red and black robe, it represents the Chinese elegance and strength, while the decorated part representing Vietnam!
It shows its elegance, respect, and rich tradition that should lead Thailand the land of smiles. Hey, Darshan! I'm Eloisa M. Argonza from grade 9 Diamond. Today, I'm honored to represent the land of smiles, Thailand!
Everyone, my name is Romaline A. Pagabang, representing grade 9 Garnet from Indonesia. Samadikado Bush, Dayan Jamilia, 14, grade 7 Arcade, Thailand.
Julio, mula sa Dayton Nursery, ang taos-pusong inirepresenta ang Perlas ng Silangang Philippines! Salamat, Daddy! The land of cultural splendor, features diversity, heritage, and natural beauty. My name is Maria Alexandria G. Tarun from Grade 10 Mars, representing Malaysia! Good morning, everyone. The city of harmony, where unity, innovation, and culture thrive as one. My name is Dr. Silas R. Flores from Grade 10 Mars, representing Singapore! I'm from Grade 10 Osmeña, presenting a country that is the land of smiles, Thailand!
Bansang Pilipinas, mabuhay! Ako si Julius Vidal Vitalogic from grade 10 section Quezon, and I currently represent Philippines.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aaron G. Piloso from grade 10 Aguinaldo. Proudly represent Vietnam.
J. Mark.
DPM Bulaway from grade 10 Osmeña, representing Philippines.
Aguinaldo, kinatawan ng Grade 10 Magsaysay, rinepresenta ko po ang bansang Pilipinas.
Christine Jonathan at rinepresenta ko po ang grade 10
Club for another information number. Okay, Glee Club.